In this episode of Genius Digital Marketing, we're going to be discussing the monumentally important topic of your sales and marketing feedback loop. Specifically, what I mean is marketers need to know the quality of leads, and the quality of leads not just based on the perception of salespeople, but on real analytics. Specifically, contact rate, opportunities created, and deals that are closed. Companies that do this best, as soon as a deal is closed, that information is immediately ingested back into the marketing software, and then the marketing software can tell you where that lead came from, specifically the list, the content, and the channel. Then you can realize, oh my gosh, we have such a huge opportunity. You can make adjustments and iterations to your campaign, and you can drive results faster. The faster and more accurately a sales team and a sales organization and a sales CRM can be ingested back into a marketing system, the better and the faster the campaign will improve quickly. All right. I want to take a moment to talk about contact rate specifically. So contact rate is basically when a lead gets created, are sales reps able to get in contact with that person? If you base all of your sales and marketing feedback on the perception of sales reps, it's a really bad idea. Sales reps will always be happy when they're getting people on the phone, and they'll always be pissed when they're not. That being said, speed to lead is actually the main reason for that problem, how fast they're following up, not the quality of the lead. So once you get past the contact rate, and again, make sure you have a really great speed to lead, you want to look at opportunities. So this is especially true when you're dealing with products that have longer sales cycles, 30, 60, 90 days. So if you're trying to make iterations and adjustments quickly, the key variable that you're going to be looking for is how many opportunities are created. So for example, if you have 100 leads coming in a day, well, if 20 opportunities are being created, these are scheduled demos, these are people that have been quoted amounts, they have been moved down the sales cycle, and they have a higher probability of closing. As a marketer in that short term, you really want to know. But in the long term, the only thing that actually matters is deals closed, revenue. I'm going to tell you a tip. I believe that this tip took me about 15 years doing all sorts of digital marketing campaigns to figure out. It's very much a secret. It'll clean up your analytics tremendously, and it will help your marketing team be much better marketers fast. And it's actually a really, really simple, elegant solution. And I don't know why every sales organization doesn't do it. So there are about 1,000 ways to measure channels: Facebook, Instagram, Google, email, content, infographics, ebooks, webinars. You can try to pass values from leads into your sales CRM, and then after the fact, look in your sales CRM and say, we got a 120% ROI from that infographic we created 6 months ago. But that's actually a really crappy way to do it. Let me tell you why. So first of all, when you're running ad campaigns, really what you're doing is you're getting your brand out there in front of tons and tons of people. And because the digital marketing channels are so noisy and so saturated and always changing, the main thing that people do when they see your request to be on a webinar or download an infographic or schedule a demo is they actually go to Google, they type in your business name, they look at your Google reviews, they go to your website, and if they like what they see above the fold, they either call the number or they click the button on the top right. Kind of the average that I have seen, if you generate, for example, 100 leads from a piece of content that you're promoting across all the channels, specifically social media, Google, email, and text messaging, if you generate 100, you basically get another 100 of people that just came in through a channel that was untrackable. iPhones make it really hard to track channels. There's a lot of other reasons why UTM parameters and form submissions and form fields, it's just not very accurate. Call tracking. So again, here's the tip. At the end of every month, take all of your customer data, every piece of it. Specifically, the fields that are important are your name, email, phone, and business name, and just upload it back into your marketing platform, because your marketing platform is actually going to definitively tell you where the lead came from. The other thing you're going to realize by uploading business name specifically, or website URL, or some other field, is that what actually happened was a member of my team, let's say it's Steve Page, He was a part of a webinar. He watched it. He walked into my office and he said, Jeremy, we got to buy this thing. And then I just called, and then it went into there, and I talked to a sales rep, and he closed me. Well, that deal, that ROI, that measurement, it shouldn't be attributed to the inbound Google call that I made. Not at all. It should be attributed to the webinar. But if you don't ingest back in all your sales information and look inside your marketing platform for your sales analytics, they'll always be wrong. If you do this, you're going to literally save your marketing team tens, if not hundreds of hours of work, and you're going to be able to make adjustments and iterations on your digital marketing campaign that are going to drive way bigger results. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. Hopefully all of these webinars have been very helpful. Please reach out to a member of my team, and we will put together a custom strategy to use great data to generate amazingly high quality leads that close fast at high revenues. Thank you for your time. I look forward to speaking to you on future episodes. Have a great night.